and then I'll have you take the lead because this is your part of town. And I will start it by saying,
Bonjour, mon ami.
Veronica, we are in your part of town.
We are.
I know.
You know how I love the country.
But Canby.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know. A pregnant pause. But Canby is country, but there also is a downtown. I'm not going to say it's up and coming, but it's country, but they also have invested a lot in.
Yes.
So it's adorable. It's quaint.
I love this community. You've got the historical old town. You've got the farming community. You've got so many new builds going on right across the way. We've got Icon with their new build. It's definitely a wonderful place for growing families and great schools and
downsizing, upsizing,
all
whole
the things.
lot. And you were how far away? So we're close to Oregon City.
Yes.
Like 10 minutes, probably. Ish to downtown Oregon City, which they have also invested a lot of money into. But also we are
that
close.
whole mill waterfront, like you said, is going to be incredible when they get that done. And that's seriously just right up 99.
Right.
But this wonderful community, you have the Clackamas County Fair that happens every year. You have Hair Fest. They have, the car shows. They have so many wonderful community activities and community involvement. What I love about our sellers is she won 4, not 3, but 4 this year, blue ribbons for her dahlias at the Clackamas County Fair.
She's a dahlia queen, and I envy her because I can't grow a dahlia to save my life. They are brutal.
I have never seen any this tall and this healthy. Actually, I take that back. Bob Lau could grow a dahlia.
But she can grow a dahlia, which I will be putting B-roll of that over us talking about him right now because I am so impressed with her dahlia skills. And
when they move, one of our closing guests should be us coming over here and helping her dig up all the bulbs.
So yeah, today we're going to talk about this fabulous listing, and we're actually sitting in the backyard of this listing. That's why we wanted to have this gorgeous garden behind us, this beautiful trellis, which she's actually growing hops on, which smell divine.
Yes.
And we'll talk a little bit about the house, but today we're also going to be touring Canby as well. So we're not just talking about it. We've got a whole list of really cool places that we're going to be taking y'all with us on. It sounded awkward, but I'll keep it. And do you want to talk about this house?
Well, this beautiful 2016 resale is about 2,500 square feet. We are on a large corner lot. We're very walkable. We're right down from the trail she was talking about. There's the logging trail that is about 7.3 miles where you can go down to the Willamette River and see where they actually put the logs in back in the day. So hopefully we can get some footage of that.
Yeah.
But the proximity of this lot and neighborhood is just wonderful. Very flat. The house is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's fabulous.
It is. It's a really beautiful house.
My favorite is the main level primary suite, but in its huge, sumptuous, luxurious bathroom.
Yes.
It has not only a walk-in closet, it's got a pantry closet and then another full closet. I mean, the space and storage in this home is amazing.
And the light is great too. And as you were saying, it's newer construction, 2016. So you've got turnkey house, come right in. You've got these beautiful grounds. Again, she's a fabulous gardener.
Lush.
They're lush.
Lush, mature,
beautiful,
manicured.
Yeah.
We have a palm tree.
I know.
Who gets a palm tree to grow so well in Oregon? I don't know. She definitely has the gift of a green thumb.
She absolutely does. We have a fire pit. The house is perfect, again, for people who are downsizing and want to have the primary level living, but maybe have rooms upstairs for their grandchildren or children who's coming to visit. Or, as you can see in our video, this is quite the family home.
Right, because that 4th bedroom could also be a bonus too. I mean, it's got the closet, it's larger. But yeah, there's so many different options.
I love the study. The black door study is really
the main
cool.
Level den office, yes.
And
it's really beautiful. They've just been really good stewards to this home and this property. Whoever is going to be the next owner is going to walk into something really sweet.
The house is fantastic, and
we should go find some goats.
All right, let's go find some goats, and let's go take these people around the fabulous Canby.
The charming Canby, the charisma of Canby.
And we're going to go downtown to some cute cafes and coffee shop, and we're going to also try to go to the Dahlia garden that she was telling us about. Does that sound fun?
I love it. Let's do it.
All right, stay with us.
Giddy up.
Our listing at Northeast 17th Avenue is in such a prime location, close to everything that makes Canby amazing. Within just a few miles, you've got William Knight Elementary, Baker Prairie Middle School, and Canby High School, all part of the highly desirable Canby School District. We made our way over to Swan Island Dahlias. The grounds are just breathtaking. This place is incredible.
It's so bright. Amazing. There are acres and acres. I am so happy.
We just got to the Swan Island Dahlia farm.
And it's a Wednesday afternoon and it's picnic.
And it's so much.
It's only 12:45 on a Wednesday.
I know, and it's so much more epic
than
we thought. So I'm going to go and film everything.
Yes. And we're going to get a taco. Because tacos are great.
I know. There's a charming gift shop with Pacific Northwest provisions, handmade jewelry, and artisan goods. They even have a build-your-own bouquet station where you can create a dahlia arrangement right there on site. And don't miss the koi ponds, the tacos, or their apple cider donuts. Next, we stopped at Yazzolino's Costa Bella Italian Kitchen. This little food cart is a Canby treasure with a cult following.
We were Googling best restaurants around. I just saw in your review somebody comes from Vancouver to come down here. They love you so much.
Yeah.
Where else do people come from? She was saying...
all over the place. It's kind of nice. Once they come one time, they always come back. And more people are hearing about us, so they come from all over. We've been here for a little bit over 2 years.
Well, I'm glad you're here.
Yes, me too.
All right, thank you. It is so cute. They have a little covered patio. You got your DC?
I got my DC. There goes Mr. Squirrel. Oh, gosh.
They're famous for their Sunday red sauce gravy and their crust-wrapped cheese lasagna, which completely stole our hearts. The owner made us feel right at home, and honestly, every pasta dish was a winner. After our Italian feast, we headed to historic downtown Canby. Our first stop was the Canby Beer Library, a stunning building with an incredible selection of beers, ciders, and even gluten-free options. Outside, the patio is surrounded by food carts serving everything from Mediterranean to Thai to barbecue. So right now we are in Maintown, Canby.
We're at the beer library. Oregon Brewing.
But we're currently going to be showing them around.
Yes, we're like 3rd and Elm. There's Ivy. Are we calling this historic old town or are we calling this downtown? Could you get any closer to my face?
I'm trying to figure this out. It's always a whole other skill set. Yeah, we're in downtown Canby and it's absolutely adorable. We walked by a Steel Magnolias hair salon.
Oh my gosh, yes.
So we're gonna have to get that and we're just gonna show you around, okay? Bye. Veronica popped into Sadie Rose Boutique where the fabulous Lindsay walked us through this wonderful shop that showcases over 20 small business makers, most of them right here in Oregon. Hi, Lindsay. All right, tell me a little bit about it.
Yeah, so we have 23 local makers in here. About 16 of them are from Canby, and then they restock every week. So constantly bringing in new products. We're celebrating 2 years in this location next month. So we'll be doing an event every weekend next month.
That's great.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
From there, we refueled at Willamette Coffee House, which offers both sweet and savory bites along with a wide variety of hot and iced drinks. Downtown itself is a joy to wander. The city has put so much care into the landscaping with flowers and green spaces that really elevate the atmosphere. We couldn't resist stopping by Cones for vanilla soft serve with crushed Butterfinger. They also do nostalgic ice cream sandwiches and cakes that instantly bring you back to childhood. We then ventured out to the shops of Blush Out West, a stylish Western boutique run by a mother-daughter duo. They curate pieces from their buying trips to LA and the American Southwest with sterling silver, turquoise, cozy sweaters and dresses. That's just a glimpse of the lifestyle you can enjoy when you call 1103 Northeast 17th Avenue home. Canby truly has it all. Great schools, local farms, amazing food, vibrant downtown, and easy access to nature. We hopped on the Canby Ferry, something we'd been meaning to do for months.
We're gonna go over and then we wanna come right back.
Sure.
We're just gonna film, is that okay?
Sure.
We're crazy like that, I know. Here.
I'm gonna have to charge you both ways, though.
Oh, that's fine.
Is that all right?
Of course.
Okay.
It's a write-off.
All right, I'll get out.
Isn't this awesome? It's the quintessential experience.
It's a quick 5-minute ride across the Willamette River connecting Canby to Wilsonville. Oh my gosh, what kind of bird is that? Over the water. Do you know? Can you see it?
Yes.
That's beautiful. On our way back to Portland, we soaked up the beauty of Langdon Farms Golf Club, a place that combines challenge, relaxation, and a commitment to being the most well-maintained golf course in the Pacific Northwest. So we just ended our fabulous day here in Canby, which you have just seen. And Veronica decided,
Right?
hold on,
Stand by.
stand by.
Standing by. So we thought it would be great to share how there is this beautiful golf course, the Langdon Golf Course, which is just right off the I-5 exit when you're heading to Canby. It just has beautiful grounds, wonderful clubhouse. Food is really good. They always have our bocce ball tournament here too.
Oh, how cool.
Yes. And my son works here.
Yay!
And he loves it.
And what's the restaurant like?
Delish.
Yeah, is it steak, just regular country club fare?
I've only come during like the lunchtime, so I've only like clubhouse sandwiches, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm sure they've got
All sorts.
all sorts of good stuff.
All sorts of good stuff. It's beautiful, and it's kind of cool because just looking over there, Veronica can see that we're already getting some changing of the leaves.
I know, I love fall.
Where it's coming into fall here in the Pacific Northwest, and
We really wanted to show you Point Farms because they have the baby goats, but they were closed today. But
I know.
that's going to be such a great place for people to go for your apple cider, your pumpkins, you know, all the fall
the
activities.
fall holidays.
And then, of course, Canby's got their Oktoberfest, 20th and 21st. Did
Are we
you
going to
see?
try to go?
I think that would be fun. You should try and go too. This community is awesome.
It is. It's absolutely cool. I'm so excited and delighted that we got to spend the afternoon here in Canby, and we are excited and delighted to help you out. So whether you're buying, selling, or if you're wanting to relocate to the Canby Aurora area or just Portland Metro and the outer boroughs, we are here to help you.
Absolutely. We've got our contact information down below. Feel free to drop us a DM, give us a call, text, send a carrier pigeon. We're here for you.
All right. And thanks so much for hanging out with us. As always, we appreciate you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Happy fall.
Yay!
It's coming.
Okay, see?
Cute.